of dawn, literally. We are gonna go out on the beach and fly the drone. We're at St. Augustine Beach. Going to Disney later. Woohoo! We're here at St. Augustine Beach. My hair is a mess. I haven't brushed my teeth, so excuse me, but I just wanted to check in. It is a gorgeous morning. Kind of don't want to leave, but we do have to go to Disney today. Sad, sad, sad. We got some drone shots this morning, so I think we're going to play in the water a little bit and then go eat some breakfast. There is an Australian coffee shop down the street from our hotel called Kookaburra, and I'm really, really excited to see what that's all about. They have something called Australian breakfast pies, which has definitely piqued my interest. So check out this sunset, and we'll see you in a little bit. We are going to breakfast.
Yes, and I'm dying.
Why are you dying?
I'm really hungry.
Oh. The person who took the most amount of time to get ready is the person who's most hungry.
Or I just don't feel good.
Go figure. So we're walking down to Kookaburra. It's right down the street here. It's a Australian coffee shop. We'll see. I'm super excited. They have breakfast pies. I'm a fan of all sorts of pies. was your conference? So it's not good.
Really good.
It was scary. What do you think of the hat? Well, we're in the car, right?
Yes. Hence the steering wheel.
Hence the steering wheel.
It's not a prop.
It's a real car, you guys. Bee's back there. Say hi, Bee. Hi. So anyway, we didn't check in with you because we were getting ready to go and checking out of the hotel. Kookaburra was good. I would say
If the pies are warmer.
6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. The coffee was good.
The pie was great.
The pie was good. Mine was sweet potato, egg and cheese, I think spinach. It just wasn't warm enough, so the cheese was like
More congealed.
a little congealed. But the flavors were good, and Beatrix had a muffin, and it was a little dry, and there weren't many blueberries. But I would recommend it.
Yeah.
Because it's a very chill, it's like surfer type vibe. We are on our way to the Magic Kingdom, and what we're going to do is we're staying at the Grand Floridian tonight, so we're going to park there, and maybe our room will be ready early. We're not counting on it, but you never know.